Hi everyone, it's Amy. Quick question. Didn't we already do May 31st yesterday? Or is it just me? Same cabin, same breakfast. Here's the thing. Yesterday we crossed the international date line. So today is officially May 31st again. Is this still a cruise? Or did I just board Groundhog Day at the sea? Should I be looking for Bill Murray in the hallway? Or maybe leaving the safety door until I get it right. But something did change. For the first time since I got on this ship, I actually woke up early this morning. And you know what that means? I finally got a freshly made omelette. Yay! Hot, fluffy, and made just for me. No buffet eggs. So sure, it's the same date, but this time I've got on omelette and a head start. So let's call it May 31st. Take 2. No idea what's coming next, but hey, I've technically survived this day already. Let's enjoy it all over again. So next cheer, bye.